Showcase of Citrus is amazing. It is like a living museum, a living amusement park, a zoo, a playground, all in one. Run by a family, for families. This is just the perfect place to come when you want to unplug and spend time together as a family.
Part was when we got in the water. Me and Benji had a fun time today. It was crazy.
The ride was amazing. We got to go to the petting zoo and feed the donkeys and the goats. This was our first time getting to feed an emu. Oh no, I was only pretending to be afraid of the emu.
Here! See, Nora? It's very simple.
It was just a simple, fun family day.